happy with it. What? Alright, so here she is, the PSI 30 replacement. I'm too upset. PSI 30 is chilling too far away, so I needed a replacement. So this is basically the BT1 version of the VL Turbski. This is the Wagga Special, the full canary yellow BT1 with the high mount turbo. We've got the Garrett GTX, 550 horsepower, tastefully modded. It's got all the stuff, fresh paint. I'm being told that my dose isn't good enough.
Yeah, it's pretty weak.
So probably gonna have to sort that out, I reckon.
Yeah, I reckon my Civic will beat it.
What? No chance! I'm the dose master, and yes, the dose is weak, so... Whoever loses gotta give their car away. I'm gonna work my magic.
Come on, Charlie, surely.
Civic's gotta go.
No, I reckon I can beat it. Yeah.
You reckon
watch me.
You reckon you can beat it? Who are you watching? No one knows who's talking.
Who the f is that guy? Who the f is that?
That's Manja. Give me that camera.
No.
Give me that camera. Give me that camera.
Yeah, I reckon I will beat it.
No chance.
Yeah.
You want to tell us your shout Civic? I should never notice that. You've got the sleeper plate. So funny story. Mungie actually did a whole video of turboing this thing, and then his car got broken into, and all the footage got stolen. Did you get your shit stolen twice? I don't know.
No, just once. Don't jinx me.
Someone, and then Tom, other media guy, got shit stolen. Anyway, we love getting camera gear stolen here at Civic. But anyway, this was a video Mungie did, so you need to explain. This is your car. You were supposed to be the vlogger.
Oh no. It's a 1999 Honda Civic. Yeah, it's VTEC. It's not really VTEC. We don't have VTEC. But we do have a basic turbo kit. It's a Grady turbo kit.
Grady, oh, my shadow is ruining it.
We've done pretty much all the fuel system, and it has a Haltech 550.
Good.
Yeah.
Not bad.
It's not bad. It's like a massive 8.5 PSI, I think.
Sure.
Yeah.
Enough to dose, I'm hearing.
Oh, I reckon I'll do yours for sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Whoever loses has to give it away. I don't know if anyone will want to enter this thing. You have to do like $3 entries or something.
Oh, maybe like $1.50.
I'm keen to see a dose, and I don't.
Yeah,
you need to
trust
fix,
me.
You need to fix what's going on here. It's too long. It's too long. Anyway.
It's a good problem to have
You
sometimes.
figure it out, but I'll figure it out better. I got the VL tubes.
Yeah. Alright, let's do it.
Let's do it. Before we change the dose pipe to get the premium winning dose pipe, of course, come into the merch area. So we've actually got a bunch of stock left from Drift Fest and our last Friday night. So I've got some gangster stuff. My favourite, NASCAN we call it. So it's got NASCAN, got Kang on the back, KR on the front, and it's gangster. I literally wear that the most. I've probably got like 5 of these t-shirts, so I crank them. At the moment I'm repping 144 Racing, but anyway. We've actually got some of Hertz auto-tuned merch and dizzle. We got this made for him for Drift Fest. We've got a bunch left, so if you want any of them, we've actually thrown them on our website. Hold that real good.
Sorry, Hurt.
We've got the Drift Fest buckets, which are gangster. This is obviously one of my new favourite hats. With the purple Reet, it's like the same as the side of the Wagoon and stuff. So we've got plenty of the stock at the moment, so get around it. Head to the website, Reet, and let's get back to putting dose pipes on. Got me trusty SP Tools screwdriver, the only tool I'll need today, hopefully. While we're here, we've got the boys who actually ripped the old engine, because Forsberg destroyed everything in the 33, and we decided it's time to retire this car. So we've actually got a fresh shell right up there. That's not bent-ish. It's a little bit bent. It's still good. We're basically gonna put a basic shell. So we got James and we got Matt. Let's just started here, getting an old D Neo special. So we're fixing up the old DT Neo. Don't know. The built. The other one was forged. Has to do bearings now. Thanks, Forsberg. So we're doing the D special, which is the same as what's in the pink car. We're just gonna do like a basic setup, get this thing going, throw a stock box in and stuff like that. And yeah, not sure what the actual plans are. We're thinking drift school car. Maybe we'll give it away. Maybe we'll just sell it. Don't know. Comment down below. Comment down below what you want to do. The other thing I'll need, apart from my screwdriver, is these little rings. something wrong with the VL. It's got anti-surge. Also, like these, it's got anti-surge housings, and this is also a little teaser for the next video, which will be gonna try and make this dose its head off, because we love the dose here in Kipri, and everything has to dose. Oh, and of course, Raceworks Silicon. This is a 4-inch, so if you've watched how to dose pipe videos, going up in diameter decreases the noise. So we have changed to a alloy, which should work. I don't know.
That's it.
That's it, we're done. Hashtag no filter. So let's get this thing out and let's see how she goes.
All right, Jason's on lunch and it's my turn to make this thing dose. I got this cheeky idea by putting a microphone in the engine bay and having the receiver go straight into my head unit to amplify the sounds. Let's see how we go. So I'm gonna put the microphone right here. Oh shit. It's a terrible idea. A little bit of a tape. Mic check, mic check, mic check. It's working. Yeah, it's pretty boring. And now whiz to turbo mod. It's pretty good. Natalie, wanna come for a ride?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right. Ooh. This is nothing. Boring, right? Wait a second, there we go. Oh, stop it! That's my dose mod.
Get it on, get it loaded up, Gary. Oh, stop it! Oh, feel the fucking boost. This thing puts you in your seat. Oh, look, well, look, before I said that there was no chance you're beating the VL.
Yeah, hold on, that's the best part. Sorry, what was I saying?
Oh, yeah, just let me turn my dose off real quick.
Alright, let's get
Jason might be getting rid of that VL, who knows?
Alright, we're out on the road. The boys are about to do a flyby, and we're the judges.
It's going to be judged on loudness and hectic doseness. Darley's got a high score and I've got some predictions. Jace is going to end up doing a skit and Jai's going to get lost somewhere because it's Jai.
Who will win?
Oh, we also have, because we're being very technical as you can tell in a hot day in this weather, the first app we could find that measures decibels, so this is official. Flawless, flawless, it's working.
Hold up.
Up first, Jay Ferrin. Oh, in a juicy VL turbo.
That's a strong contestant right there.
Yeah. 85 decibels apparently.
Need to make it louder. We've got the Kang Sydney button. Louder up.
Not bad.
It's dosing way better.
Get her on booster.
This is where my prediction comes through.
Mungie's gonna have his work cut out for this one.
Yeah, the modifications he's made to that vehicle.
Yeah.
Oh, that sounds very technical.
Not bad, not bad. Definitely got the doses. Just needs more load though. I gotta sit on the brake again for the full.
It was also somehow 85. Yours is actually just as loud, apparently. A reputable score.
That is a very legible 85 right there.
Oh, round two. Voting's already finished. Ah.
Well,
Do we count that as Jay's
your
skid?
predictions were somewhat correct.
Yep. Jace skids. Yep. Predictable. Now, I did expect it to be a rear wheel skid, but it definitely was a front wheel skid that could have turned into a in the pants skid.
A skid is a skid.
Look, it's not PSI 30s though. It's a little bit fast, but it's definitely a
Sounded cool, like the long.
There's definitely no chance.
Oh, we need to. Okay, so that's decibel, that's sound rating. Or do we judge the quality of the sound, the dose?
The authenticity of the dose. This is a high pitch, ultra fast, not very dragged out dose.
Yeah, I think it's a very modern dose in
Very
comparison to a
modern dose.
traditional VL dose.
We want the long dragged out.
Yeah,
dose.
with the-
That's what I'm looking for.
Me too.
Hard.
Yeah. No one's. I don't think people are doing memes of this dose.
Meanwhile.
Alright, so I had to do something extra special because I know it's going to be difficult to win against the VL. So we have this.
Whoa! The secret weapon! Pretty impressive. It is loud.
It's loud. That was just a free dose.
Is he gonna do a drive-by?
I could hear it.
Where's the drive-by, brother?
He's shaking in his boots.
What doing with that speaker? He's cheating.
Audio.
Yeah.
Because if he gets a 86, you know, he's got one on Jace. And that speaker is huge.
I'm interested to see what this dose sounds like. Oh, he's coming.
Honestly,
that's a bit more of a shoutout.
I got a 76 on here, but it's not exactly louder. But the timing was very impressive as well.
I do like, yeah, that's right.
Right there, just right in front of us, hit us with the dose.
He hit us with a more sophisticated dose.
And I think the dose itself was more traditional.
Give us another one, Munchie.
Oh, we're nearly there! We're 50% to speaker falling off roof.
That's great.
I think Joe won. Just more ruthlessness. Speaker falling off.
Timing was immaculate.
Yeah. He hasn't grounded the speaker, so what he needs to do is have a bit of wire dragging off the back of the car.
What doing?
See? Soft rock?
Really strapped the door closed. I can't open the driver door.
Charlie has our statistics, but you were actually quieter out of the two cars. But we liked your dose sound more,
The speaker almost fell off.
but your dose did in fact sound better.
I like the idea, not the execution. But the scientists obviously don't know anything about dose.
Judge sport,
You get it in judge sports.
Yeah.
That's it. I got wrecked. This is rigged.
By Honda.
Nothing to do with the VL already being live as a giveaway. So get on that if you want to. And that's it. Like if you want to see more. The next video is the quad VL docent. So gotta subscribe right now if you want to see that. I'll see you on the next one. So much power. That's gangster. Well, that's how you do it. Step 4, dose with the boys.